My Passport Hub claims to assist with passport applications, renewals, and replacements, but after thoroughly investigating the service, it appears to be highly questionable. Many users have reported negative experiences, including being charged for forms that are actually free from official government websites, receiving no actual service after payment, and encountering misleading claims that create a false sense of legitimacy. One of the biggest red flags is that the website is not affiliated with any official government agency, yet it collects sensitive personal information, raising serious concerns about potential identity theft. Additionally, there is no clear refund or dispute process, meaning that once money is paid, it is nearly impossible to get it back. Many complaints suggest that users are left frustrated with no assistance after paying hefty fees, making this service seem more like a scam than a legitimate passport assistance provider. Given the number of warnings, lack of transparency, and reports of financial loss, it's best to avoid My Passport Hub entirely and only use official government websites when handling passport-related matters.